Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Guys, if you have not yet clicked on the bell notification, do that. So, once I drop, you will get an update instantly. Once I drop, you will get an update instantly. So, you would not want to miss the update. Click on that bell notification. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on our EURJPY. Our trend is clearly on an uptrend move. This is it. We're having a series of higher high and an higher low, higher high and an higher low. So this is here our high. Here is our higher low. This here is the higher high. Here is the higher low. And now market is currently giving us an higher high, meaning in the long run we should expect that bullish move to take out this previous high. So that is what we should be expecting. Now let's see what market is doing of recent. This is the impulse move, then the correct pullback. This is also the impulse move, which is, you can call it as your higher high. Now that we've gotten, you can call it the impulse move, which is or higher high. Now that we've gotten the higher high, we'll be expecting the pullback to play out, finish, then another higher high. So above all, our targets for the day on EURJPY should be 17793. That should be our target for the day on EURJPY. If it taps it, I'll give you guys an update what next to do next.